Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add a glitch animation effect in FlexClip, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates or create videos from scratch. So I'll take a static image like this one, and then I'll add a glitch animation effect like this one, and I'll show you how to do this in FlexClip. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account, and I already have a video project open here with a default blank scene in the timeline below. I'll go to the Photos tab in the left side panel, and I'll use the search box to search for the keyword boxing, like so. So these are royalty-free images. Let me scroll down. I'll hover my mouse over this one and then click this Add button. It will add the image to the scene like so. Next, in the left side panel, I'll go to the Overlays tab, and in the Effect Overlays section, I'll click See All. Here you'll find a ton of different type of animation overlays, including several sections of glitch animations. I'll choose this one. If I hover my mouse over a specific overlay, you will see the animation. So I'll click on this one and it will be added to the image. Let's take a quick preview of the scene to see what the glitch animation looks like. If you click on this button in the top right corner, it allows you to select the overlay, and you will see this contextual toolbar at the top. You can use this flip option to flip it horizontally or vertically. You can use this opacity option, which has a slider to control the opacity of the overlay. And finally, the blend mode has several options. If I choose these other ones, it darkens the image, so you'll need to play around with the blend mode and the opacity slider to see what fits best for your image. Once you're happy with the animation, you can click the Export button in the top right corner to render the animation as an MP4 or a GIF image. And here are some more examples of the glitch animation that I rendered.